This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. Here you can see we have two other sketch, and these two portion are and this portion here we can see, and this portion is this rib portion or triangular portion. So it is at the bottom is here, okay, and this side is the back face. The back, this is our front face and this is our back face, so it is our back face view. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, first of all, I will select the top plane. In the top plane, I'll draw a circle, and this circle has a diameter of 60 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 75 minus 5 unit. Okay, then we can see we have another circle here, and this circle has a dimension of 45 unit, and then I will extrude boss it to 5 unit. Okay, then from that circle center point I'll draw a center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 110 unit, and from that center line I'll offset two line, one is here and another is here, and then I will close this two shape. After that I will extrude boss it to 12 unit. Okay, let's go back to sketch and draw this. So first of all, I'm selecting my top plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the corner rectangle. Select the circle. And after selecting the circle, place the circle here and draw a circle of 60 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 75 minus 5 unit. Okay, now press OK. So after that, select this upper face again. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, again select the circle tool from here and place the circle here, and this circle has a dimension of 45 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 5 unit. Now press OK. Now select this previous face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a center line from here and place the center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 110 unit. Now from this center line, select offsetting it is and select this center line, and as the total distance is 60 unit, so the half distance will be 60 divided by 2, so it will be 30 unit. Now make sure to select bidirectional cap end and line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 12 unit. So extrude bossing it to 12 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to sketch. In our sketch, we in our back face, in here in our back face, we have a triangular shape here, and this triangular shape inclined line we start from here. So this triangular shape inclined line from this point to this point, it has a distance of 3 unit. Then I will make it a angle of 40 degree from here to here. So this angle is 40 degree. Here you can see this is a circular shape, so that's why I will extend this line a little more here. Then I will draw this triangular shape. I will extend this line to a further more, because it is a circular shape. Whenever I will extrude it to 80 unit, if I don't extend this line, I will miss some edge here and here. That's why I will extend this line further away from this point. Okay, let's go back to sketch. So for that, I am selecting the right plane here. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Oh, in this side of view it is the right plane. Okay, so this view is right plane, and in the back face of the view this is the back face. So now select the line tool from here and point this line to this circle horizontal line. Now also connect this point to this surface. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool and select this point and this line and dimension it to 3 unit. So dimension it to 3 unit. Now select the smart dimension tool again, and from this line to this vertical line it has a an angle of 40 units. So dimension it to 40 units. So after that, now close the shape. So I am extending the shape. I will extend it to beyond this line because it is a circular surface. If I extrude, it will miss some point. So I'll extrude this beyond this point. Now close the shape. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now you can rotate it here. Okay. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 8 unit. So extrude boss it to 8 unit from the mid plane. Okay, so extrude boss it to 8 unit from mid plane. Now press OK. So our this triangular face has been done. Now again let's go back to sketch. In our sketch we can now we'll draw this two shape, and for drawing this two shape, first of all uh, I'll draw a center line from here to here, and this center line has a vertical distance of 50 unit from here. Okay, and from this point to this point it has a distance of 44 unit. After that I can see uh, this has a radius of 13 unit. So this I'll draw one offset line 13 unit from here to here, and I'll draw another offset line 13 unit from the other side. Okay, then I will close the shape, and as it is a circular surface I will extend this line a little more here. Okay, then we can see we have this semicircle. I'll draw this semicircle here, and after that I'll draw this circular extrude cut here, and this circular extrude cut has a dimension of 12 diameter. After that I'll totally extrude boss it to 40 unit from here to mid plane, 40 unit. Okay, after that uh, I need to cut this rectangular portion, and for cutting this rectangular portion from this point to this point I'll draw a center line, and from the center line I will offset two lines. One is 24 divided by 2 and another is 24 divided by 2. Then I will close this shape, and I will close this shape by using the converting this and by converting this circular profile. Then after closing this shape I will extrude it to through all. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So I am selecting now the right plane here. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select the center line, and from a center line draw a horizontal line. Okay, now select smart dimension. This horizontal line has a vertical distance of 50 unit, so dimension it to 50 unit. After that from this point to this center line we can see it has a dimension of 44 unit. Okay, this portion has been done. Now select the offset entities, and as the radius is 13 unit, so the offset will be 13 unit. Now you can uncheck the capping if you want. Okay, I am unchecking the capping. Now press OK. So after that we need to draw the semicircle, and this is our semicircle profile. Okay, our semicircle profile has been done. Now we need to draw our circular cut, and our circular cut has a dimension of 12 diameter, so dimension it to 12 diameter. Now we need to close the shape. For that I will extend this line a little more because it will be extrude boss into circular profile. So I'm going to extend this line a little more. Okay, so our profile has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 40 unit. Okay, extrude bossing to 40 unit and select this contour. Okay, now press OK. So our extrude boss has been done. Now we need to cut this extra portion from this upper face. So I'm selecting this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the center line from here and drawing a center line from this midpoint to this midpoint. After that, select the offset entities and offset line will be 24 divided by 2, as our total distance is 24, so the half distance will be 24 divided by 2. Now press OK. So it will be 12. Now this time we need to draw this circular path. So I am selecting this circular path, now converting this. So this line has been converted. Now select the line tool and close the shape. So I'm closing the shape here, and again draw a vertical line to close this line, and again select the line tool and draw another vertical line to close the other side. After that, select the trim entities and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. So I have trimmed all the portion. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to. Okay, we have extrude cutted this portion. Now let's go back to our sketch again. In our sketch, we can see we have a circular cut here, and this circular cut has a dimension of 35 unit, and it is quite through all portion. Then we can see we have another cut here, and for drawing this cut, first of all, I'll from this midpoint I'll draw a center line, and this center line will be dimension of 17 unit. Then we can see as the radius is 10 unit here, so I'll draw a offset of 10 unit here and another offset of 10 unit here. After that, I will draw a semicircle on this of 10 radius. Then I will close the shape. Then I will also extrude cut this portion. After that, we can see we have a chamfer of 5 unit here and another chamfer of 5 unit here. So we'll do a chamfer. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch, and before that we can see we have a fillet here and here fillet, and all the fillet are 3 types, so it will be radius 3 fillet. Okay, let's go back to our model. So first of all, I'm selecting this upper face. Now right click on it. Now is sorry, we have to so select this surface. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 35 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut this portion. Now press OK. Now select this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the center line from here, and from this midpoint draw a center line of 17 unit. Draw a center line of 17 unit. Now select the offset entities and offset to this line as the radius is 10 units, so the dimension will be 10 unit both side. Now press OK. After that, so it is dimension is overlapping, so let me sideway the dimension. Okay, now select the semicircle center point arc and draw a semicircle, and we have drawn our semicircle. Now press OK. Now select the line tool and close the shape. So our shape is closed. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude. Select the extrude cut. Select this portion. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done. Now go to chamfer and select chamfer here, and we have a chamfer of 5 unit. So dimension it to 5 unit chamfer. Now select this line. You can select this line here, or you can rotate it. Okay, now press OK. So this portion has been done. To check this line, you can select edit sketch or use the evaluate measure tool to measure this line. So let me show, this is 5 unit. So I am drawing a line here again, here to here. Okay, now let me show you slate smart dimension. You can see this line is 5 unit according to our sketch. Okay, I'm cancelling this sketch, or you can use the evaluate tool from here, then use the measure tool, and then you can measure this line. It is showing the right angle. Okay. Now let's go back to our sketch. You need to select by this in horizontal portion. You can try out this feature by using the measure tool. Now let's go back to our sketch and select the fillet option, and we'll have a fillet of R3 radius. So dimension it to R3 radius. Now select this upper line and also select this edge, this portion, and this other side also, and select these two side. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.